Component board, a service definition. Component boards present an outline of an application's color palette, font system, and user interface components. Service analysis. Designers will use the project owner's visual brands to create a type system and user interface components. Based off of the project owner's current product, the components may be used to redo existing components or to create components that will be applicable to the application. Component boards include the standard components of an application as well as components that have specific functionality within the application. Service function. A component board is used by developers as they create products to easily access design components and enable them to extrapolate the design of undesigned screens. It takes a lot of the guesswork out of the front-end development of the application and allows developers to quickly access the designer's intention for the product. A component board is used by designers as they design a product's concept to create consistent designs. A component board will be delivered to a project owner if they are developing the application. If Winhouse Software is developing the project, the team designer can show it to the project owner upon request. However, the component board is more useful for the purpose of prepping the project developers with the resources required to develop the project. If you have any further questions, go ahead and toss a comment in the comment section. If you like this video, go ahead and give this video a like. And if you'd like to stay updated on this video series, you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button to stay notified. Alright, have a good one.